Hey Dutch crew and my turtle people, welcome back to the channel, the home of no-nonsense barbecue videos. Today we're going to be making these Nacho Chicken Drumsticks and we'll be cooking these in the Ninja Woodfire Pro Connect. In a bowl we've got 12 drumsticks here. We're just going to remove the skin. And first of all I'll show you how not to do it. This was a bit of a fiddle trying to get this skin off. Ended up just pulling it off. We are going to save this skin for later, and then we're going to take a knife and cut round the bone and remove this knuckle bit. As I say, this is the way not to do it. Just give it a bit of a clean up. Any of these tendons we want to trim back. So this is the way to do it properly. Score around the knuckle first, then pull the skin off and use the knife just to remove that knuckle bit. As you can see, these little tendons, just get in there with your knife and clean them off. And then we're going to use this. This is Angus Oink Mexican Seasoning. We're going to give it a good covering with this. Get the hand in there. Give it a good mix. Make sure all these are covered. I think we need a bit more, so we'll go back in a bit more. You can see we've got one clean hand and one dirty hand. We're going to go quite heavy on this seasoning. So there we are. Pop this in the fridge for an hour, or as ever, overnight is best. Remember those chicken skins we removed? We're just going to give them a little dusting of this Mexican seasoning as well. We're going to use the Economiser from the Pellet Man and also some pecan wood pellets. All we need is half of pellets, so we're going to go on to air fry setting. Temperature 200 degrees C, that's 392 F, and we're going to put 45 minutes on the timer. Wood smoke technology on, and off we go. So the grill's up to temperature and it's had about 5 minutes to clear that heavy white smoke. We're just going to use our silicone tongs now and place these drumsticks straight onto this ridge grill. I did leave one drumstick with some skin on to see if it made any difference on texture. We'll pop that on the end. Today we're also using the splatter guard from the Pellet Man as well. We're just going to cover the these chicken drumsticks with that, shut the lid, and off we go. While that's cooking, we're going to make a quick chimichurri. So in there we've got 1 handful of parsley chopped, 1 handful of coriander chopped. Get these into a bowl. Then we're going to go with 1 clove of garlic. I'm just going to chop that up. Get that into our bowl. And then 1 red chilli. Just going to finally chop that. Get that into our bowl. To that we're going to add about 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil and 2 tablespoons of red wine vinegar. Just going to combine that in. If it's a bit too dry, just add some more olive oil. Now we're going to make some nacho cheese. This is just store-bought nacho cheese mix. We've got a glass with boiling hot water in, and we're just going to add this nacho cheese till we get a nice thick consistency, just like that. In a bowl we've got 1 bag of tortilla chips. Let's get the rolling pin in, and we're just going to smash these up. So that's our crumb ready. So we've had about 20 minutes cooking time with our drumsticks, and these are ready. Just look at the colour on them. We can get them off, get them all into a bowl. Remember those chicken skins? It's time for them now. I'm just going to place these onto the grill, make sure they're still spread out. You see the heat already, they're starting to curl up. Get the lid shut and we'll get them cooked. It's a nice time to assemble our nacho cheese drumsticks. Get a drumstick, dip it into the cheese, let it drain off, over the bowl, cover it in our nacho crisps, and they're ready. And that one's ready. Just show you another one. See the cheese acting as a glue here? That's what we're looking for. So there we have it, folks. These are Dutch's Nacho Chicken Drumsticks cooked on the Ninja XL Pro Connect. It's about time we got in and had a taste, but just look at them. Well, I'm really surprised at them. The first thing you taste is that nacho cheese. Then you get a little bit of flavour coming through from Angus Oink Mexican rub. A little bit of a heat there as well. And also those crunch from the nachos. I can see next year these being a firm party favourite. Our chicken skins have had about 10 minutes. It's time to get them off. Just going with our silicone tongs and put them into a bowl. And remember those chicken skins? We put a little bit of Mexican seasoning on. And now we've turned them into crisps. They're really good. I'm going to do now a little bit of lime and also a little sprinkling of that chimichurri. They are sublime. For something you'd throw away, they're well worth doing.